4th Battalion. Of course, without all the hard work and the perseverance and the pushing, this would not have been a success. This would not have even happened. My dear family members of all the recruit constables who are here, personnel of the 4th Battalion and other personnel from Meghalaya Police who all form part of what Lakador calls the family of Meghalaya Police, and of course the dear recruit constables of the 8th BAT passing out today from the 4th Battalion APTC Sohpian. When I was making my way this morning to come to the battalion headquarters, the weather took me back 31 years, a little bit over 31 years, when I had my passing out parade. Now this is in Hyderabad, the place where you least expected any rain. There was a cyclone that morning, and my batch that is, was the one and only batch that has so far had to have the passing out parade in the auditorium. So the 8th batch here today in Sohpian, I have a special connect with you. It was raining a little bit harder than this when the decision was taken that we will go ahead and have the passing out parade in the auditorium. I was so glad when I reached the battalion headquarters and your commandant informed me that the boys have been spoken to and they all said we will go ahead come what may. It is actually a very fitting example of how we as you join the Meghalaya Police have to do our duty come what may. The call of duty is always there. The circumstances might not be the most pleasant. We would have loved if this had been a glorious sunny day, but the rain has also added to the fact that it has made that much more easier to stand and hear and listen to all that is happening around you. It is also with great pleasure that I welcome you to join the Meghalaya Police as full-fledged members of the Meghalaya Police today. The commandant in his report had mentioned that various inputs had been given to you